Here's your chance to be ruthless.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love.
Hello, welcome back to our channel. How are you feeling? I am Bella Chanel and I have graduated and moving on to the 6th grade. I love my graduation decor that my mom did for my special day. She wants to share the decor tips with you, so keep on watching.
And here we have the before with the curtains, and the twinkle lights are running along it, and we keep the twinkle lights there all year round for special occasions and just for a chill day vibe. Here we have the twist ties, and the twist ties came from garbage bags or from small kitchen appliances when I buy them from Amazon or wherever. And here is the decorations that I'll be using with the twist ties to place them on the twinkle lights so it can look beautiful against the curtains. And you're gonna see how I did it. And here we are. You're gonna give it a twist like so, and let me tell you, it feels so satisfying when you like twist it like that. It's so easy. That's why it's called twisty twisty twist ties. Then you place it on the twinkle light. You see where I'm placing it? And you want to use white or transparent twist ties. The black that I show you, if you can get some white in those from your small kitchen appliances and store them in your DIY craft bags, let me tell you, you're gonna save a lot of money from buying twist ties when you get it freely from your garbage bags and whatever else you get them from when you purchase stuff. So you save them for DIYs like this. Make sense? And here is another tip. The ribbon, I tied it around the wire of the twinkle lights, placed the rod inside of it. Then in the bottom, I used the twist tie to secure it because I didn't want to have to work too much. I came up with that idea, and for the rest of them, I did the twist ties. But the ones towards the edge where the balloons are hanging, I just used the ribbons from the balloons and tied it on the wire of the twinkle lights. And look at how nice they are. And down here, some of these decorations Bella got from her school crafts guard. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. The twinkle lights runs 10 feet. And right underneath the scarf or the valance, as you can see, I use clothespins to secure it on the curtain. But because of the decoration hanging on it, it dropped a little bit. So that's why I use the clothespin for, and also for even spacing between there, use the clothespins to pin that together, and it runs from one end to the next. And these are the clothespins that I use to secure it, and it's from the Dollar Tree and other discounted stores. Here is some other decor, the hanging running ones. It's so pretty. It came through in a pack, and I did the same thing. I hang it on the twinkle light to secure it right there, and then the big grad decor, I did the same thing with the ribbons, hang it there, and the scarf, the valance covered it. You wouldn't even notice. So pretty. And this is the hanging decor, and we have the grand reveal. Ta-da! I love this graduation hat. When I saw it, I was like, why couldn't it be a little bit bigger? But it worked. It's so pretty. And here it is. It's so cute. So you see, simple does it best. And it's all from the Dollar Tree. And here is me doing a little dance for doing such a great job. And now little Miss Bella Lala has a backdrop to take her beautiful photos with me and other family members. Then we ate and danced away. Bella's dress is from Shein online, and her shoes is from Primark.
It's about damn time. In a minute, I'ma need a sentimental man or woman to pump me up. Feeling fussy, walking in my Balenciennes, trying to bring out the fabulous. Cause I give a fuck way too much. I'ma need like 2 shots in my cup.
And it's time to dig in, and let me tell you, this is my favorite meal that I like to prepare for my guests, okay? And I served it up with wine, but my guest was like, you know what, we up for water because we gotta drive. And little Mr. Ducky, do you want to join me in drinking some wine? And yes, we have to bedazzle. We gotta bedazzle it, okay, for my guests. That's how I serve it up. And stay posted because I may just post this meal on our channel. Stay tuned, guys. Wink, wink. Okay, it's time for dessert. And I am going to serve it up so fancifully. And these are all of what we are going to be using. So stay tuned. We got a big surprise of how all of this went down in Bella Lala Natural's kitchen, okay? Let's do this. They are all golden and ready to shine. The cupcake pans are from the Dollar Tree. The other one is from another discounted store. And this bowl is also from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to mix the primary colors. We're doing some science stuff here so we can get the brown color to go nicely with the theme of Bella's graduation. Okay, now we're mixing the yellow. We only put the yellow color from the comic. And the ingredients for the cake, most of them came from Target. And thank you, Target, for helping me out to design this beautiful cake. Okay, now we're gonna be spreading the white icing out on the cake so we can get that base. And then we put the pop of yellow. It's coming along nicely. I was just like winging it, trying to figure out what am I going to do for a design like in the moment. And this is what I could have come up with. I was like, oh, but I made a towel, like a fairy tale princess cake for my Bella. It's just both of us that's going to be eating it anyways. So why not? And that's what I did, okay? So we took the rest of the icing, mix it all up to get the brown, okay? And here we add the brownish color into the yellow to get that nice contrast, okay, going. It's coming along very well here. Doing the best I can. And now we're gonna add some bedazzle, okay? And bring the bedazzle. Woo! Here comes the bedazzle. It is so pretty. Then went to get some decorations, came back, and then the cake fell on the table. Somebody call Rescue 911. We have a problem. Send Icing Boss Queen on the scene. We have a cake to revive. And this is how I revived it. I put the masquerade on there and we made it a day. And it looked beautiful, don't you think? I think so. Hot mess. After the whole showdown with the cake, I had to make up for it with this beautiful bedazzle, the nighttime look. I wait for nighttime. I had to show you guys how it looked like. See how it flows nicely into the flow like a waterfall. And I'll definitely have a video coming up soon to show you how to make your flows this nice and shiny. And here are some beautiful affirmations. With God, all things are possible. And that's from my Dollar General haul. And I'll place it in the description box down below at the end of the video. Also the Dollar Tree and Dollar General come shop with me and hauls will be in the description box down below, so take a look. And I'll place information about the purchases in the description box down below as well. And I want to give a shout out to Bella's friend, Alice's family. They have this twinkle light, and when I went over to their house, I was like, oh my God, it looks so beautiful against that brick wall that they have in the kitchen. And I was like, I gotta have it. And this is where I placed it, and now it's serving for so many beautiful purposes. So thank you guys. And like I said, all of the decorations, including the ones that came from the cross guard, came from Dollar Tree. Okay, so shout out to Amazon the Dollar Tree and Target and all of the other discounted stores for making this video come alive with all these beautiful decorations and helping me out with my creativity. And look, rock and roll, bling, bling, bling. And this twinkle light comes with many different settings. I think it's about 8 settings. So, yep, it's on Amazon. Go get it. Cool stuff. And Paris is dancing away into the sunset. Drop a comment down below. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you will see all of our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Peace. Bella Naturals out.